What's up everybody, Ebrahim Mbokazi here, back with another educational video. On this video I'll be showing you a quick tutorial as to how you can set up your Terra station wallet. Make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time when I upload a new video. Now let's not waste any further time. This is going to be a very quick tutorial. So now the first thing is, first you want to go onto Google and search for Terra station wallet, but I will also leave the link in the description so you can check that out. Do is we are going to add our extension to Chrome and add extension. It will probably download. It should take a couple of seconds. Once it has downloaded, and then from there the extension will be added automatically onto your browser. So as you can see over here, Terra station has been added to your Chrome. Once it has been added, what you're going to do is just click on this icon right here. Now the next step is setting up your Terra station wallet. This is the very important part when it comes to setting up your wallet. Now it's either you're going to create a new wallet or you're going to recover. Let's just say you had a wallet before and now you want to recover, so you're going to basically click on recover. Or you want to import keys. That's if you had a previous Terra station wallet. On this video we will be creating a new wallet. Now that you are on this page, you are going to name your wallet. We're going to name this wallet test wallet. Okay, so it doesn't want to allow us to leave any space in between. And then from here we are going to create a password. And then we're going to need to confirm the password again. Make sure it's the same password. Now this is the very important part right here. This is going to be your keyword basically. If you ever lose your wallet, or you ever lose access to your wallet or to your laptop or whatever device that you had your wallet installed in, this word right here is going to be the word that you're actually going to recover your wallet with. You write this down and store it in a very safe place where nobody can get access to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write these words down, and then from there add them up again, and then we're going to submit. And then from there, wallet has generated successfully, and now we have our wallet set up. And then we can just click on connect, and as you can see over here we have our Luna token. And if you want to add more tokens, you can just go ahead and click tokens, and then you can add whichever token that you want to add over here. So now we have our wallet set up, and over here if we click on settings, this is where you are able to change your networks. From here, currently we are on the mainnet. We can move to the classic. If you want to deposit some Luno Classic, you can go ahead and switch to the classic wallet. This is the classic wallet. This is where you can deposit your Luna Classic. So make sure whenever you're depositing your tokens, especially with Luna Classic, make sure that you are on the classic network. This is the testnet and this is the local Terra network. So always be aware of this of the networks. Language, let's just say you're in a different country and you want to change language. Currently I'm using English. Or if you want to change your theme, currently I'm on the light one and I can just click on dark. As you can see, the theme changes. So depending on whichever colors that you like, you can go ahead and change it to whichever theme that you like. And over here, if you want to show balance, you can go ahead and click on balance. It will hide anything that's below $1 or hide anything that's below $10, depending on what's your preference. So that's just a quick tutorial as to how to set up your Terra station wallet. And make sure guys that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. I will be uploading new videos on a daily basis to help you and guide you with your crypto journey. It's Ebrahim Mbokazi signing out, and I will see you on the next video.